dear trainees and officers. Actually, I'm feeling a kind of deja vu speaking here because I was in the faculty of NAS in Calcutta for 5 years. So it's a very dear place for me to teach and to interact with the young talents, young blood of the department. I like it. I like taking classes and I enrich myself from feedback from you. So I hope that all of you have enjoyed your stint here. Have you? Thank you. Because the faculty is very good here, that administration also is very good. So the thing is, the period of training never ends. You get training for a particular topic here, then again after some time you want to rehearse it in field, doing the work. And then again you come for training for some other work. So in our life also, we are always going through training and rehearsing and execution. So there are three parts: training, rehearsing it, and execution in the field. For example, I used to take a class. I see there are some customs people are also there in uniform. So I used to take a class regarding investigation procedure in NASEN. Search, seizure and investigation procedure. Now these things cannot be taught in the classroom as such. The theories can be taught, but the practical things, how to conduct your investigation, how to develop your intelligence sources, how to do those things, that you can only learn when you are in the field doing it. So my request to you is, and will always be, since you are young, you have joined the service, and you have ambitions, you are bright, all of you are sharp students. So please take something, training sessions will be useful to you. It's no use that getting a training session just like that and then just forgetting it while working. It will enrich you, it will help you in your service life. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your valuable words. Now,
all the officer present here, let me first congratulate the training for successfully completing the training course. I would like to give you an unsolicited advice that someone who is looking after administration of audit commissioner, I can say that EA and EA play vital role in the day-to-day functioning of administration and accounting sections. Every note proposal you put up is subject to scrutiny by multiple officers in the hierarchy, and then you have to deal with the PS office, which can be taxing in terms of effort and time. So it is essential that you are aware of all the relevant rules and regulations like medical rules, leave rules, conduct rules and the like. You also have to be familiar with the rules of application such as exams, beams. Fortunately, machines conduct procession on this topic from time to time. So take advantage when you are nominated or asked to undergo the training. My best wishes to you all. Thank you.
thank you, sir.
Honorable ADG, respected my dear friend Siva, my dear colleague Manunjan Upadhyay, dear officers from NASEN, and young dynamic officers all sitting over here, the set of officers who has already trained and going to the field again, and a set of officers who have been welcomed, are going to be welcomed as NASEN. Maybe today morning they must be welcome and coming for the new, or they have to learn new things. So it's a really matter of privilege and honor to be here, seeing new faces coming up for trainings. You are the futures, and not only future, I would say, rather I can say the present of the time of the department all year. You see, with the new times comes with the new things. As per our department, you are the face, you are the cutting edge. And you are the one who are going to, in the time of faceless, you are the only people who are going to be the face of the department at various points of juncture, maybe in some range, maybe some division, maybe in the capital, maybe in the far flung. So the department is known by your faces, you see. Many distance places where even ACs are not there, at that places some TA, EA or inspector will be there. So you are the face of the department. You don't demean yourself that where you are, where you are not. I tell you this very apt telling this truth, like he has mentioned that you are being trained by the most evident. I know the team. They are most dedicated people. Actually, one thing is that, and they have the zeal to impart training on you. So it is time of technology, learn. There are a lot of things are there, BO system, many people have worked on that. So learn that system, acquire skill in the technology things, have some Excel and Microsoft skills, some AI things are coming up. Department also is promoting that things, so promote and get that things, have that knowledge on that. I will say, and then when you are going to field, there are two things actually you see. In our department, we will be again and again learning that things. One is facilitation on side and another is enforcement. There is a very thin line between both the things. What is facilitation, you see? Whenever we see anything, a taxpayer come to us, we help them out, we guide them. Okay, even if you are doing investigation, which is enforcement, at that time also if you guide them properly and help them out to get out of the mess, that is also facilitation. So, I will say that you should be fair when you are doing your enforcement. Okay, but all the time you have to be good and nice even everywhere. So you have to have that sharp knowledge, already mentioned. So this is one front. Then on your second front, I will say this is a long journey. Like it's not it's not a destiny. Tomorrow you are going, you have learned everything. So you have to go on learning and this process. Must be some people have worked and they may know TPM, Total Predictive Management is there. So what is TPM? It's like a continuous improvement. All in our life, it may be our office, it may be our work, it may be our personal life, it may be our relationship. We have to reinvent ourselves, like if we have to bring newness always. Every day is a new challenge, try to add value. Many people have done atomic habits. Anyone from here? Can I see any hand? Okay. Atomic habit by James Clear. What it says that if you, build on yourself, little bit, it's like SIP. Okay, so it's having its own compounding effects. I'll tell you one thing. Can you tell me 10 important organ of your body parts, please? Anyone? Yeah.
Brain, heart, liver, lungs,
Okay.
veins, artery,
Okay. Carry on.
legs, hands,
Okay.
stomach.
We will do Beverly, isn't it? Because we miss our teeth. So you see, similarly, everybody wherever they are, in which part of state or country they are posted, equally important. Either they are sitting in the North Block, they are sitting in the headquarters, or they are sitting in a range in Raigada. Everybody is equal important. Without that thing, we are not complete. So each of you, collectively make this department. No one sitting over this dais or sitting in the headquarters or sitting somewhere else is making it complete. All of us together when we come, we are like a organization, like organization. Okay, like human being, there are so many parts are there. This department has so many parts, and you are one of the vital part of it. You are the link between the taxpayers, the traders, and us. Okay, so your behavior, your articulation, your dexterity in the field, give images of this department. So work with efficiency, all right? Work with fairness, work with integrity, have empathy. You understand the meaning between sympathy and empathy. Like sympathy is like from far you say, oh yaar, kasht mein hai, help karna chahiye, theek hai. Empathy is that you know the pain, like you can feel yourself and do it without being asking, all right? So we should be empathetic. We should see, many times you are very big officers for the field people, you don't understand. Many people will come to you 2 times, 3 times, but they are unable to ask for a help. You have to find out, and you have to ask them, कुछ help चाहिए आपको, कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. Reach them and help them out. Okay, and this one part. Then personal part, I will say, keep your health, fitness perfectly all right. Because there is one part we miss sometimes because of our over-illness, overwork also. But in long run, it is your health, your personal life, family life, you see to it. In the beginning 5 years, people who have joined young I don't know if they don't have any liability in the background. I will say, don't spread your money like a rich guy. Live like a pauper for 5 years. Okay, that savings will help you throughout your life. So you don't need to, get into trouble here and there. All right. So along with this, I will say one thing is that this is service second. This is not a job. When you go to private company, TCS, Wipro, everything is important. You see the GDP, everything counts. But there we say that मैं job करता हूँ. Here you do service. आपका advertisement आता है service के नाम से आता है. UPSC, SSC, whatever it comes in a service, सेवा. So सेवा का भाव है ना? ये job नहीं है. ये सर्विस करने के लिए आए हो, आप लोगों ने खुद ही चुना है. और हम महात्मा गांधी के शब्दों में बोले कि if you know how to do a service, you let yourself, then you come to know what the service is all about. Okay. So along with these words, I will say again, best of luck to all of you. We are very much thankful that you have completed the training, and we are very much hopeful to see you in your new roles. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Dear training officers, today is very one important day in NASEN, whereby we are welcoming one batch of officers, and one batch has just completed and they are going to the field. This has never happened in our last 1 year of posting. So one batch has joined, one batch is going to the field. And with respect to the inspectors, I would like to tell one point. I joined last year, May 2024. After that, we did 4 batches of induction for the inspectors. One for the batch from Bhubaneswar zone, some 50 plus officers. One video you just saw, it was made by themselves only. And then 2 batches from, one batch from Bombay zone, one batch from Pune zone. So these were the 4th batch. These 3 batches before you, they all enjoyed the training like anything. They all, before going, they made the videos of their attachments, their outings together. So you must have noticed the fun part, the training, everything in that video. So I am sure, and I am very hopeful that you will also have a very nice tenure in next 14 weeks. We will ensure from our part that no stone is unturned. So you will be sent to the best of attachments as a group. 2 batches like the Bombay and Pune zone, some officers, some batches were sent to some other nations also, like Vizag, Pune, Lucknow and other nations. When our batch officers told their experiences to them, so they were all jealous of the officers from who did training in NASEN, that then they were never sent to any kind of attachment, they were never given any kind of exposure. I am not boosting anything, but our NASEN is doing actually excellent work with little infrastructure. We could not, so you also will have a best of tenure in NASEN, so be assured of. With respect to our TA and EF friends, there was no module which was suggesting an attachment outside or something, so that's why we could not organize that. But I am sure our training with respect to various rules and regulations will be coming to your help, and you are like our child only. You are going to the field with you have just got a job or something like that. The mentors are already there, and all of us are there. Any kind of issue in the field, any kind of doubts in the field, get back to us. We will be clearing that. And I was told that you people were very sincere in the class. None of you missed any session. So that will come to your help during your posting. And so all the best to you and welcome to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Esteemed guests present on the dais in this hall and my dear friends, a very warm good evening to all of you. Today we have, for the knowledge of common sense knowledge for everybody, today we have gathered here for the valedictory ceremony of executive assistants and tax assistants. There were 27 of them who had come for this induction training, 3 weeks duration training. And today, as Shiva said, we also have around 30 inspectors who have nearly joined, and their induction training is also starting. So it's a good gathering, and we hope both of you must have, both the batches must have interacted, and could, maybe the outgoing batch can guide you with whatever facilities are available here, living stay facilities and all. And as TAs, basically, your role is, I think there are many very important work that you all have to perform, and another important job is making entries in the service book. There are several things that have to be updated, all the increments received, the LTC availed by the officers, and everything, the briefcase allowance that have been received by the officers. The promotion orders have to be properly kept in the service book, and in case the officer has received any penalty also, then the details of the penalty have also to be kept in the service book. The penalty imposed, you have to ensure that it is being implemented. In case it's increment cut and all, you have to ensure an implementation order has to be reported. Similarly, very important aspect, all of us need salary. So all the salary has to be processed and initiated by the EAs and the PFMS. All the bills have to be processed in the PFMS, and everything, all the purchases like this function. So all the purchases we are missing out on a TA. So in case any of you can come over and get a posting in NASIN, that will be of great help. So everything requires a lot of effort. In GEM also, the tendering, you have to do everything now through GEM. So all these skills require skills. It is not just any odd job. Similarly, the retiring people, their pension have to be processed in the Bhavishya portal. All these, unfortunately, if somebody expires, then family pension has also to be processed for their family members. So, and HRA, transport allowance, whatever is eligible based on the city, all this knowledge you have to have. What is the budget of the organization, preparing budget estimates, calling for additional budget in case we are falling short of it, income tax, filing a quarterly income tax returns on behalf of the department of the tax deducted at source, all this. So whatever tax is being cut, if it is not properly deposited and reported in the income tax department, then we might end up getting a notice. So all these are very important things that you have to look after. So all these files, maybe you may not be the sanctioning authority, but you have to initiate the files, and as soon as the increments, etc., the purchase is approved, you have to do it in the system. You have to make necessary record, you have to keep necessary record keeping, and these are all very important things. So as a training institute, as our course director has said, we have tried to obtain the best available faculty, and they have given you very good training, and I think you have benefited for this, and my advice to you would be to be very systematic and detailed, because everything, all these things, as you must know, these take place on day-to-day basis. You have to make all the entries in the service book, in the registers, or in the computer, wherever you want to keep the record. You have to do it in a daily basis, because if you keep on procrastinating, more will keep on accumulating. So I think here Kabir Das's Doha will be the best to recite. Kal kare so aaj kar, आज करे सो अब, पल में परलय होएगा तो बहुरी करेगा कब। तो बहुत काम है, तो आप अच्छा बहुत काम है और आप सब आज का काम अभी कीजिए, हो सके तो कल का भी आज ही कर दीजिए। और जितना आप एफिशिएंटली काम करेंगे उतना हम लोग खुश रहेंगे, आप लोग भी। ये ना समझिए कि हम ही लोग खुश कर रहे हैं, आप ही का सर्विस बुक कोई आपका दोस्त होगा, वो अगर इतना खराब तरीके से एंट्री करेगा तो आप लोग भी दुखी हो जाएंगे। सो हाउ बेस्ट यू परफॉर्म, that will reflect upon the internal health of the organization as well as of the departmental officers, and in this way the departmental officers can function without any worry or stress. Even that includes all of us, as Gopal was saying. And so do well, take your job sincerely, and whatever is assigned, that is the best thing, and you do it with utmost sincerity. My best wishes to you for your bright future. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable guidance and suggestions. I hope this will. Shivaprasad Panda, sir. Then, respected Additional Commissioner J.K. Bhatti, sir. Respected Additional Commissioner K.M. Nayak, sir. J.C. P.S. Upadhyay, sir. My colleague Manoj Patnaik, Assistant Commissioners, Deputy Commissioners from the zone, our tax assistants and the UT assistants who have completed the 3 weeks training, and our press inspectors who have joined today. A very good evening to one and all, and it is both an honor and privilege for me to extend our heartfelt gratitude on this special occasion, combination of two, that is one outgoing batch valedictory ceremony and one incoming batch welcoming ceremony. And we extend our heartfelt appreciation to our Additional Director General, Mrs. Anuradha Mishra Madam, for her unwavering support throughout the training program. And your leadership has been instrumental in shaping the trajectory of this induction. We are equally grateful to Additional Director Sri S.P. Panda sir for his invaluable insights and steadfast guidance, which have significantly enriched our trainees' learning experience. His meticulous oversight of all program facets ensured a seamless and enriching training journey, making the path smoother and experience truly rewarding for everyone involved. Our heartfelt gratitude to the visiting Additional Commissioners who specially spared their valuable time to grace the occasion, and with their valuable words and guidance. For I feel that those valuable words are to be memorized by each one of us for the next or for our benefit of our career. Then I extend my thanks to the faculties who are present here, and without whom perhaps our training would be incomplete. And because the TS or the executive assistant's role was specifically involving certain rules and areas where it was very difficult to find the faculties. So we were dependent upon our faculties like Mahakurji, who are quite experienced in this matter. And I extend my thanks to Sri Manoj Kumar Patnaik, Course Director, and Course Coordinator Keshav Kumar, who toiled very hard to prepare the entire schedule and to each day to go to go all along through the journey of trainees. And this time only it was 3 weeks. Earlier it was a 2 weeks training program for TS. So now this time only first time that we completed 3 weeks training program for the TS with special emphasis on like advanced Excel, Word, etc. Then I acknowledge the relentless efforts of nursing staff whose behind the scene works ensured a seamless execution of the program. And we are grateful to authorities of Regional Medical Research Center for allowing this facility and the auditorium staff for the cooperation. And also I am thankful to the faces, the new faces of the cultural troops and our little ones who are going to sing, and the performing officers who are going to decorate the podium afterwards. And last but not the least, I thank the trainees that you have completed successfully the course, and your eagerness to learn and sincerity has been praised by our additional director. And again, at last, I thank you all for your invaluable contributions for making the program a success. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. I would like to request everyone to please stand up as a manner of honor.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे